Good afternoon. I realized I haven't started my vlog today, and my mom has been coughing really hard, and she went to the doctor, and they gave her they, they gave her an inhaler that connects to this. What is it called? Because it's not a nebulizer. It's a anti-static valve holding chamber. So we're figuring out how she can do these breathing treatments to get her better. You guys, go. Grab the leg hard. You pull. That was fun.
Yeah.
I like watching sparring. I only got clips of them doing, what do they call it, tiger sparring.
Mm-hmm.
I only got that because that's a lot of fun. All right, we are taking a walk. My flowers are looking gorgeous, and I know it's only because other people are remembering to water them, not me. So thank you. Thank you, Dad, because I know he's watered them too. Thank you, Mom. I've watered them a couple times, but I am not I'm not the reason they're still alive. Final clip.
Final clip.
Yeah. Oh, what in the world? It looks like I have a giant pimple on my face, honey.
Uh-oh.
That's not cool. It's like I'm 14 again or something.
Yeah. That's my girl.
All right, so immediately following our walk, my mom was not feeling well because she's been coughing so hard and her back is sore because she thinks that she pulled a muscle. Long story short, we ended up taking her in, and they did a chest x-ray. She does not have pneumonia.
Yeah.
Thank goodness. It's all good news. She got a shot for like a painkiller, and she has a prescription for something to help her with the pain in her back. So all is well. She's going to keep healing. So until tomorrow.
Mañana.